and welcome to my channel Missy Tapes. Today we are going to prepare non-cooked amla oil. Well, why is it non-cooked? Well, today we are not going to cook it on the oven to prepare this oil. All I will need is amla and coconut oil. So the quantity that I have taken for this video is 2 medium-sized amla and 20 ml of coconut oil. In my previous video also, I have always stated that amla is one kind of a best solution for your hair growth, because in ancient ages, amla was one of the core ingredient for hair growth and to stop hair fall. Many generations have used amla and they have really find the best result in it. And today we are going to make amla oil in a very easier way without any hassle and hectic. Just in few minutes it will be ready. So first of all you will need is the amla, and you have to use a grater to grate the amla. If you want to use a mixture, you can go for it, but I prefer grater to make the amla juice. So when the amla juice is ready, all you have to do is add the coconut oil. Here I have added 20 ml of coconut oil into it. So now when all the ingredients are put together, I will use the spoon to mix the oil together. It will take a certain time to mix it well. When the oil is ready, you can put this oil in a glass jar with a lid or a glass container to store it and to use it for the later purpose. You can also put this hair oil in an area where it gets direct sunlight so that the amla and the oil get infused together. This will also give you a better result. So I hope this oil was very easy to prepare and you can make it easily at home. If you like this kind of useful and informative video, then do like, share and subscribe my channel who haven't subscribed yet, because I'm going to upload more and more useful and informative videos like this on my channel. I do upload videos in Hindi language as well. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you.